So we've spent the day here at RIBA working with ROCKWOOL and FutureBuild, looking at the entries for next year's stand, FutureBuild.
We've been judging the proposals from architects today and pleased to announce that Gundry+Ducker are the architects that have won the competition process.
We've been looking for an interesting and dynamic retail space that incorporates an architectural feature or installation, and I think we've picked a practice that will deliver on that.
I'm really looking forward to seeing how the winner takes the ROCKWOOL and the ROCKPANEL products and brings them to life for the RIBA bookshop. Having seen their previous work, I've got really high hopes that this is going to what this is going to look like.
My name is Using and I'm a director of Gundry+Ducker Architects, which is where we sat here today. Well, the challenge we took on is that we thought we have to use ROCKPANEL and ROCKWOOL. So rather than make a structure and clad it with ROCKPANEL, which is essentially a cladding medium, we wanted to actually make the pavilion in its entirety of the ROCKPANEL. So the concept, basically, it's what we tried to boil down the brief to was it essentially was a bookshop and somewhere to read. So basically we looked at various reading rooms in architectural history and came up with the idea of a reading room in a rotunda. And this slightly developed and became sort of mixed in with the idea of a market and a reading room in a marketplace, which is basically the form that the scheme has taken.
This is the second year that we've been working with ROCKWOOL and ROCKPANEL. We initiated a competition. The winner was Gundry+Ducker, and they produced this quite striking stand. Certainly the visitors are impressed by the use of the ROCKPANEL. They found that it's really interesting for them to actually go underneath the structure and look up. In terms of the retail flow, I think the design fits the space perfectly. The angles and lines are quite striking, and from a retail perspective, the material makes it quite easy to shop as well. The pods are lined with ROCKWOOL. Once you walk into them, as you can hear, it's quite noisy out here. You're just taken into somewhere completely silent. The stand's great, footfall's really great. All the visitors to the exhibition really liking the stand, so they're appreciating obviously what we're selling, but appreciating the structure and the materials. And we're looking forward to another couple of busy days.